I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution to question number 5 on page 578 for my student, and I hope it will benefit others also. Combination of functions. The question here is, the graph of function f of x is a line passing through the point 2 minus 3 with a slope of 6. The graph of function g of x is the graph of function h of x equals to x squared, vertically stretched by a factor of 5, horizontally translated 8 units to the left, and vertically translated 5 units down. Find product of f and g. So that is what you need to find. So first step is to find the functions themselves. So f of x is a linear function, right? So we could write f of x in the form of f of x equals to mx plus b. Now we are given it has a slope of 6, right? So we have m equals to 6, and it is passing through the point, let's say p, 2 minus 3, right? So we can rewrite this equation as y value of minus 3, x of 2. So we have minus 3 equals to slope of 6 times 2 plus b, right? So from here we can find the value of b, which will be minus 3 minus 12 equals to b, that is minus 15, right? So we can write this function as f of x equals to slope of 6x minus 15. So that is the first function. Now let us find the second function, which is g of x. G of x is given to us as a transformed function. So g of x is equals to graph of g of x is vertical, h of x equals to x squared, vertically stretched by a factor of 5. So we can say 5 times x squared. So x and square. Horizontally translate 8 units to left, that means plus 8, and vertically translated 1 unit down, minus 1. So that becomes g of x. Now we know both the functions. Let us now find out what is f times g of x, right? So basically we need to now find product of these two functions, f times g of x. This is what we need to find. So we can write this as f is the linear function, which is 6x minus 15 multiplied by this given function, right? So which is 5 times all this. So let's write this. We can also expand this, simplify. So that could be another way, but broadly speaking, we could write this as x plus 8 whole square minus 1, right? Let me now expand and write it down. It is 6x minus 15. And here we have 5 times x square plus 2 times 8x, which is 16x, plus 64 minus 1. So you can simplify this further, minus 15 times. Multiplying this, we get 5x squared, 5 times 16, 630, 80x. Let's use the calculator. 5 times 64 minus 1. 319 minus 319, right? So that becomes f cross g of x, right? So that is how we can find the product of these functions, correct? So I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.